Presenting Vanghee Approval Workflow, your accounts payable processes become more transparent and manageable. Let's guide you through the onboarding process. Visit vanghee.com. Enter your existing user ID and password to log in, and then proceed to access Workflow Onboard. Next, select your company and click Submit. Once you click Submit button, Vanghee team will receive the request for your Workflow Onboard request. Once Vanghee team approves your request, you will get Workflow activation link by email and WhatsApp message. You incorporate users for the approval workflow by entering their respective details such as username, email address, mobile number, and role, followed by clicking Add. You can configure the user's roles like admin, approver, and maker. Moreover, you have the option to activate or deactivate users as per your requirements. After completing Manage Users, click on Manage Workflow and add a new rule by providing rule name. Enter the minimum amount and maximum amount and select the approvers. If you select nature by any one of the approver can approve the transaction. Or if you select nature by all, everyone has to approve the transaction. First, log in to your Vanghee dashboard. Once you're in, locate and click on the Pending for My Approval section. This is where you'll find the list of users waiting for your action. Next, click on Workflow User Info to view the details of these pending users. You'll see an option to synchronize the user information with Vanghee. To do this, click the Sync button. After the synchronization is complete and the user information is updated, you need to send the activation links. Click on the Send Request button. This will ensure that your users receive their activation links via both email and WhatsApp. By following these steps, you'll successfully update and activate your users in Vanghee. Now we will explain how to do workflow transactions. To initiate a payment transaction, the maker needs to log in using Vanghee Accountant Login. Once logged in, the maker will select the beneficiary, enter the payment amount, add remarks, choose the payment type, set the due date, and upload a copy of the bill or invoice for the approver's reference. After completing these steps, the maker clicks the Send for Approval button. The system then sends emails to the approvers based on the bill value and predefined workflow. Approvers will receive an email with a link. By clicking this link, they can review the transaction and either approve or reject it, adding any remarks if necessary. If the approver approves the transaction, it will appear on the admin's page for payment processing. If the approver rejects the transaction, their remarks will be visible, explaining the reason for rejection. Vanghee Approval Workflow, a tool that transforms your accounts payable processes, making them more transparent and manageable. With this powerful system, you can speed up your invoice procedures, and all without the need for any hardware investments or maintenance concerns. By following these steps, you'll successfully update and activate your Vanghee workflow. If you need any assistance during this process, please contact our customer support at 8792740106 or email us at info.approvals@vanghee.com. We are here to help. Thank you.